What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to complete Back on Top in Arc Raiders. This needs us to visit 4 different maps in another runaround mission. On Dam Battlegrounds, we'll have to mark the Pattern House. On the Blue Gate, we'll have to mark the White Lookout Tower. South of the Warehouse Complex, on Spaceport, mark the South Trench Tower. And finally, on Buried City, mark the building with the mural in the Buried Properties. Now, obviously, I'd recommend taking a free kit to this unless you're planning on spending more time. It's going to take quite some time to get to each of these locations and get it done, but let's do it. Let's start off on Dam Battlegrounds with the Pattern House. So starting off on Dam Battlegrounds, you should hopefully spawn on the far north and get to the Pattern House right here. When you eventually make it to the Pattern House, simply just approach it, and on the back wall here, you can see Spray Wall. There's probably a few more locations that you can do this. This is just the one that I was at. Once you've done that, you've ticked off the first part of this quest, and now we can proceed to these other maps. Now let's head across to Blue Gate and mark the White Lookout Tower south of the Warehouse Complex. So the Warehouse Complex is right over here, and the tower south of it should be this one right here. This is exactly where you want to come. It's this small little tower south of the B complex, I guess, over here. When you approach this, you'll be able to spray the wall here or in multiple places, and when you do one of them, bam, that part of the quest is done. There's the extraction tower up there, just south, so north of that, and of course, it's probably going to be pretty dangerous if there's a lot going on here. Next, let's head to Spaceport. In this, we'll need to mark the South Trench Tower. The trench towers are all the way up at the extreme north side of the map, and the south one is the one below it. You're likely going to have to travel quite a way to get there. So approaching these 2 towers, it's obviously, for me, the one on the right. So we'll head straight towards it. Now just beware, there are tons of things flying around, and even a rocketeer here usually. So I'm heading towards the base of this tower, which is all the way up on top of this trench. We'll run to the backside where the staircase is. I'm sure you can do it on that side too. Spray the wall, and there you go. You're done with this. And now we can move across to the final map, Buried City. Let's mark the building with the mural in the Buried Properties. So, the Buried Properties is located on the far east side of the map, next to Space Travel Research and Town Hall. When you eventually get to the Buried Properties, you'll need to head to the extreme top right of it, which has this big billboard on top of it. Around the back, and probably the front of this, you can interact, spray the wall, and that should be the last location completing this quest. Now, of course, let me give you a view from the front as I came around from the back of it, and this is what we're looking at over here. I'm pretty sure you can do the front again though. Again, right over here, all the way to the east of the map, right near the center. But yeah, that's basically that. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.